Hey guys, for today's video I will be showcasing my OPTCG cards, but before that I will explain how did no I will magbisa lang ko anong na-interested ko ani nga hobby. So katong niadto mi sa Cagayan sa akong mother and my little brother, niadto mi sa arcades, and after that niadto mi sa Toy Kingdom, and di, iba Nintendo na. So when I got there, I saw the packs. I saw the packs of One Piece TCG, and I was like, wow, these these are amazing. So I made a research of it, and I saw the cards for the first time, and I was so amazed, dude. So that's when I decided to try and collect the cards. So on tong October 4. So I made a research, right? So I made a research where I can buy the cards besides from Toy Kingdom and Toy R Us. Maybe there are card shops and the Cagayan de Oro. And I actually um so nakoy nakita nga mga card shop, tulo ata to, pero duha ray medyo active. So ang first card shop is sa Top Deck from CDO Central. I got there and I purchased singles. So these are the singles I purchased. The Cavendish OP01 common, and the rare OP01 Nico Robin, the Zoro leader from OP01 also, and my favorite OP01 SR Boa Hancock. Love it, dude. This is for 55 pesos, 35, 30, and 10. So 120 in total. So niadto ko sa ikaduhang shop, and I for the first time abi na ko chadang shop, abi na ko na mga singles dito, pero wala, they don't have One Piece cards, dude. But nasa starter deck OP02, ST02, ST03, ST06, ST0, what are those green Zoro and Sanji starter deck. What's that again? ST. And the card owner said that I can purchase singles on that specific box, which di na ta mag English lagi kay yung grammar gyapon. So ana siya nga pwede daw ako makapalit ato singles kay katudo nga box is kulangan og cards. So and that ST starter deck is the Navi ST06. So I purchased the leader, the smoker, two of them, and the Hina, two of them also. for 120. Yeah, 120. That's it. Ay, akong yatagan ako sila 1,000 pero wala sila ikasukli. So, ngadto pa ko sa Toy R Us para magpasukli. Pero nagpalit ko and I purchased the OP13 pack. So these are my pulls. The common, the uncommon, no, common, and the uncommon. Is it rare? SR secret rare? No, SR rare. Kinda disappointing, but that's okay. So decided to buy singles from Shopee. And this is my first purchase, first order. The Nami from OP0509, sorry. The common Nami. I love that card. So my second order is, sorry for the noise guys, this Boa Hancock from OP13 rare. So this is the card that I want on the OP13 set. So where is it? What? Oh yeah. No. I lost a card, dude. Where is it? Anyways, so this is my third purchase. The Boa Hancock Don and the promo Sakazuki. Ay, nara. The promo Luffy card. And the from another shop, so that the 4th episode kay naay duha ka parcel. So this is the second parcel. Make sure to check it out because the freebies are so amazing. So my fourth order is this Boa Hancock again from OP02 uncommon, and these are the freebies from OP05, OP03, 4 of them. W. That's it guys. So 9:24 seconds. I will end this at 10. So guys, what do you think? Oh, all of this, no, the total I spent on this hobby is 460. Yeah, I will comment na lang sa comment section pila akong nagasto. That's all guys.